This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit
Hello and welcome.
www.eskillszone.com.
Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss difference between program files and data files in GW Basic Programming Language. So first we will discuss the program files. Program files contain the program or instructions for the computer. These files contain a number of lines written in appropriate high-level language such as C++, COBOL, Pascal, etc. The programs from a program file can be accessed by a computer, loaded into memory, and executed. Similarly, programs run by a computer may be stored in a storage device to create a program file. Obviously, these program files provide tremendous powers to computers to perform data processing. The next file type is the data file. I will discuss the data file. Data files contain data and information needed for a program to perform execution successfully. Data files are linked to or included with a program file during runtime or compilation time. Data file is a collection of record, and each record is a collection of related data files. Such as fields. So, collection of fields make a record, and collection of records make a file. if you take student information as an example, then each student's informations is a record, and different data items, roll number, name, address, etc. are fields. Collection of all the students' record is called a file. Now I'm going to draw a table and will represent how we can differentiate between record, fields, and a file, because the collection of fields make a record and a collection of records make a file. How it is done, let's see. I'm going to insert a table like this of 3 columns. Like this. First I will type roll number. Second column contains name. Third one contains address. So first we will type the roll number. First column like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first we can type a name like George, Michael. Can type London, UK. Second one can be John, and the address can be Atlanta, Georgia. Kevin, Nash, Houston, Texas. Cindy, Flower, Dallas, Texas. And in the end, Bard, Tallahassee, Florida. So we know that we have just created a table. Now I'm gonna tell you how we can create a student data file like this. Now actually collection of fields make a record. Fields is roll number, name, and address. It is the field. So I'm gonna draw a table, draw some lines, shapes like this, one like this, so all these address, name and roll number are actually the fields. So they are all actually the fields. And since the collection of fields make a record and a collection of record make a file, so this is a collection of fields, this is called record. So all these addresses like address, name, roll number, it's a collection of fields. This is called record. So this is one record. Like address is a record, name is a record, and roll number is a record. Now we'll discuss the types of data files. There are two types of data files which are as following. One is the sequential data files. The other one is the random access data files. So viewers, in this video of today we have discussed the difference between data files and program files in GW Basic Programming Language, and we have discussed a student file example and differentiate between fields, record, and file, that a collection of fields make a record. So here in this case, roll number, name, and address all are the fields. Address is the field, name itself is the field, and roll number is also a field. So collection of fields make a record and a collection of records make a file. So this is actually a record, all these roll numbers, name, and address. And we also discussed the types of data files. There are two types of data files which are as following: sequential data files and random access data files. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.